Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. It's been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is elevation. I need you to stay positive, believe in yourself, have outrageous faith. I need your faith to be in the solar system. You are the biggest superstar. You deserve the biggest house. You deserve the biggest blessings. You deserve the biggest financial blessing. And I want you to stay in that mind frame. Don't limit your blessings. Don't limit the universe. Don't limit God saying, think it's going to make this situation easier. No, go for the maximum, because the Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, they understand, Jesus Christ understand that you've been helping so many people digging deep and becoming so strong. They want to match your strength, and you know how strong you really are. And the blessings to match your strength is going to be abundant. I free myself from fear, and I trust the universe, and I direct my thoughts to the beauty inside and around me. I use my spiritual strengths and knowledge to create light and rise above all doubt and fear, and you live in your strength. You know the life that you have accomplished. You know the test that you have conquered. Be bold, be strong, and understand, don't be scared to ask for the equivalent to the effort you've been putting out. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.